Welcome back to my channel! For today's vlog, may little date kami ng boyfriend ko. So we decided to go to the National Museum. Let's go! So right now, we are here sa United Nations. And from here, lalakarin na lang namin papunta sa museum. And we're here! Actually, I really like walking around Manila kapag ganitong date. I feel like these are actually my favorite kind of dates. Sometimes we just go somewhere, explore a new place, eat after, and spend time together. I have no idea what to expect, so basically, you guys are going to explore it with us. Kaya if you're expecting something super educational from me today, good luck sa'yo. I'm also just here to look around and take cute videos. This is the National Museum of Natural History. From outside pa lang ang ganda na. And I didn't expect the building to look like this. So we're gonna go inside. Let's go! We're finally inside. You don't have to pay for anything. You just need to show your ID. And ang unang-unang masasabi ko is, ang ganda ko. Charis! Sobrang ganda ng place. Like, hindi ko alam if dahil first time ko lang talaga makita ng maayos yung place, pero yung architecture pa lang ng building, sobrang worth it na tingnan. As in, parang mapapatingala ka na lang talaga habang naglalakad. Medyo nakakahiya kasi every few seconds humihinto ako para lang mag-video. Pero syempre, memories are memories. So we decided na ikutin lang talaga yung museum without rushing. And sometimes, exploring places together is actually fun. Plus, marami ka pang matututunan along the way kahit di mo naman sinasadya. So, habang umiikot kami, syempre, bawat room may ibang theme. May makikita kang iba't ibang species, preserved animals, plants, fossils, ecosystems, and kung ano-ano pang related sa biodiversity ng Philippines. And every corner, meron kang interesting na makikita. Also, appreciation moment muna for my boyfriend because he was basically my taga-video today. Kaya kung may maganda akong clip dito, thank you sa cameraman. And kung pangit, well, ako na lang yung sisihin nyo. And I also love na hindi lang siya pang student or pang field trip vibes. Kahit adult ka, kahit date nyo, or gusto mo lang mag-solo date, ma-enjoy mo talaga siya. And I just wanna appreciate how beautiful this museum is. Hindi lang dahil sa collections niya, pero dahil feeling mo talaga you're walking inside a piece of history. The building itself has so much character, and bawat floor parang may bagong may experience. So ayun, tuloy-tuloy lang talaga kami sa pag-explore. And guys, ang dami talagang makikita dito. I also really like na hindi siya yung type na museum na papasok ka tapos puro babasahin lang. Kasi yung displays mismo ang interesting tingnan. May mga actual specimens, may mga reconstructed animals, skeletons, and may mga displays na parang gusto mo talagang lapitan para makita mo yung details. At this point, sobrang sakit na ng feet namin kakalakad. Kaya nagpahinga muna kami saglit. There's a lot na interesting things na pwede mong makita, especially yung mga animals na usually nakikita lang natin sa pictures or sa documentaries. Mas iba pala talaga kapag nasa harap mo na. Also, I feel like museums make you realize na ang dami nating hindi alam. Like, you can literally spend hours in one place and every room may bago kang matututunan. And that's what I like about this date. Hindi lang kami nagpunta dito para may mapuntahan. We actually got to see things that we probably wouldn't normally see on a regular day. I don't think you always have to be serious when you are in a museum. You can appreciate the exhibits and at the same time, just enjoy being there with someone you love. And I think this is one of those places na magandang puntahan kapag gusto nyo ng date na hindi lang puro kain. Kasi after eating, usually tapos na yung activity. Dito, you're actually spending hours exploring. Although, yung kapalit nga lang is pagod. Pero okay lang kasi worth it naman. And the more we walked around, the more I realized na ang dami talagang stories behind these exhibits. There's so much history behind everything. Ang daming birds dito. And fun fact guys, alam nyo ba, some birds actually sleep while flying? Yes, habang lumilipad sila, nakakatulog sila. And apparently, they can do this by letting one side of their brain rest while other side stays awake to control their flight and make sure they don't crash. Which is actually crazy when you think about it. Joke lang! Naniwala naman kayo. So habang nag-iikot kami, napunta naman kami dito sa mga marine animals and ocean exhibits. Honestly, ito yung part na na-enjoy ko kasi ang dami kong nakitang animals na parang familiar yung pangalan pero hindi ko naman talaga alam anything about them. Ang interesting isipin na ang dami nating marine species na hindi natin normally nakikita, especially here in the Philippines kasi surrounded tayo by water. So habang nandito kami, syempre napapaisip ako kung gaano karaming species yung nasa dagat na hindi pa natin nakikita or even heard of. And after ilang hours of walking around, finally it's time to go home. Overall, I'd say this was actually a really nice date. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it for today's little museum date. Thank you for spending the day with us and thank you for listening to me probably the entire vlog. If you enjoyed this video, you already know what to do and I'll see you guys on the next one.